Hey scholars, pay close attention because I'm going to take you through some steps on what to do to be featured in our upcoming new music video. The music video is going to be the welcome song that we've been singing since day one, which is Mr. Guy's I'm Ready for Music. Do you want to be a part of it? If you do, listen up. Alright, first thing that we want you to do is to have good lighting. So I'm going to turn off my lights just so you can see what I look like without proper lighting. Here. Obviously this is way too dark. I just look like I'm in some kind of horror movie. Anyways, let's turn things back on. Alright, so lighting is very important. Just use any kind of light bulbs or lights that is fixated around your house, okay? We want to see your face. Speaking of face, if you hide your face with an emoji or a picture or black or it's painted over, you will not be featured in our music video. We'll get to see it and watch you improve your singing. That's wonderful. Maybe you don't want to be featured, but I know a lot of you do want to be featured and be a part of our music video. Just like the Halloween music video, right? So to be featured, don't hide your face. Show your face, have enough lighting so that we could see you. When you turn on your lights, before you hit the record button, people are gonna notice your background. You may want to clean up your surroundings, right? We don't want like a mess behind you. Let me show you. I think if we move some things like this chair right here, power drill bits, move my computer, move my microphone, and just have a lovely background, then we're good to go. So let me show you what it looks like from the camera point of view. So here's all my stuff behind me, and you as the audience, you might be distracted by the stuff that's like the computer, it's really bright, and that thing over there, it's kind of sticking out. My chair is kind of sticking out from the bottom. We don't want that. And just, you know, the little things, right? Okay, posture. Remember from the posture video from Mr. Lizarraga, the video beforehand, you want to stand and stand tall. We don't want you singing and swaying your body. I'm ready for music. I'm ready to play. Alright, now we understand you might be nervous a little bit. Do a little deep breathing. From Mr. Ranieri's posture video. Now, if you're gonna be sitting, it wouldn't be wise to be sitting like this, and your computer is down here. I'm ready to sing and dance. You know I'm gonna do my best today. Probably not a good idea. So when you're sitting, you want to sit tall and you're not moving and you're not slouching either. You could use a chair, you could use a stool. Generally not a good idea to use a sofa or a bed. You want to have the energy going, right? Let's check this out. Alright, you tell me kids, do I look fabulous? I'm on my sofa. School spirit represent, yeah! Alright, here's my audition. I'm ready for music. I don't look very good, do I?
I'm ready for music.
Now you can see my nostrils. It's just not a flattering angle. One more thing about shirts. No sleeveless tops. A shirt or a collared shirt that has for school, like mine here, it says Jackson. I saw some boys that wore Santiago, very cool, but wear your uniform, okay? Your school uniform. See that? Alright, let's talk about audio. Don't forget you could use headphones or you could use earphones. By the way, speaking of earphones, I've noticed that some students, they have these earphones that have a microphone clipped onto it. So when they're singing, and they have the microphone, you know, that little rectangle, they put it right next to their mouth and it blows out the microphone. We call this eating your mic. Do not eat your mic. Because when you do, it sounds like this. It doesn't sound very pleasant, does it? If you want us to use your voice, you want to sing beautifully, leave the microphone alone. Or if it's brushing against your shirt, you can hold it. But don't hold it right next to your mouth. That's no-no. Do not eat the mic. use the music video. Problem with not using the music video is you might be singing too slow or too fast. Even if you're a little bit slow or a little bit fast, it's hard for us to put it in the computer and edit that with Mr. Guy's voice. You want to stay at the same tempo, the same speed as Mr. Guy's voice in the music video. So here's what I want you to be doing. We want to add your beautiful voice along with Mr. Guy's voice. We don't want to hear this from your Flipgrid. All the music teachers that we get to see. So we don't want to hear your voice and the video itself. We know what that sounds like. So once you make sure that you plug in your headphones, the teachers will only hear your voice. I'm ready for music. Now, if you don't use the music video, you don't know how fast it's gonna go. So you just think that you got it right and you sing it a little bit slow. Music is a great way to relax. Yeah, that's not gonna work with Mr. Guy's voice at the same speed, right? If you go too fast, music is a great way to relax. This is not a contest, okay? We're all in this together. So make sure you use the music video. The music video. Focus. It's like karaoke. We want you to sing with Mr. Guy together. All right, before you click on the button that says submit, we want you to type two things. Some of you have been really good at this. Some of you have not been. So please follow directions, check it out. Under the display name, we want first name, last name. In the second box, we don't want unique names like doggy or unicorn or some other weird name. We just want your name, your first name, your last name, spelled correctly, please. In the second box, under the word title, we want you to put school name and then the part that you're singing. Right? Remember, we call the part a stanza. For example, here's an example, right, that I used on Monday. Billie Eilish. My name is Billie Eilish. I put it here. And then on the second box, I put the school name and the part that I am singing. We don't want you to sing the entire song. The whole purpose of this week is to practice one small part of the welcome song, also known as one specific stanza of the song. Whether it's a chorus or verse, the A part, the B part, or the coda part, which is also known as the tag. Whatever that part is, put it where it says title. Now, before you start recording, be sure to watch my tutorial from Monday over here. You can check it out one more time, and then watch this one again, and then start. All right, good luck. Do your best.